I'm back. If you saw my last video, you know that I was trekking and we had to quit due to bad weather. So now we are 3 days later and here we are again. Hopefully this time it goes well. We've done 5 kilometers. First incline done. Kilometer 10. That's the first refugio. Kilometer 15. I'm halfway up the second incline, which is the worst of the day. We're going up there. We still have to go all the way up there. We've been bouldering for a while. Kilometer 20. And that's the refugio we slept. Good morning. I stopped recording yesterday because I was in survival mode. We took a lot longer than we expected. But I have a feeling today is going to be a really good day. Very excited. 5 kilometers. Kilometer 10. Kilometer 15, we're almost there. We made it to our last mountain hut. Last day. It's 7:30 right now. Five kilometers. We're going all the way up there. First incline done. Look at that. Kilometer 10. Kilometer 15. We're almost done.